The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing Binance coin. Why? Because it's looking good, it's pumping kinda, it's a lot of you guys are bear calling, so you're wondering what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna tell you what's happened. So anyways, let's jump over the chit chat, get into charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, get excited and see what's actually happening here on the chart. This is we're gonna start with this line over here. This is the line going all the way through entire of life of Binance coin, and you can see here the line actually made a quite nice resistance up here. They tested the resistance, created this very nice resistance line, and now what's happening at is we broke the resistance line. We moved like never before. A lot of people bought here at the top, and now we're getting down and retested the resistance line as support line. So now this line over here is acting as a support line, and that's very nice. And you can see this very nicely on the daily chart. You can see here the price went all the way down, and second time here and up. Now before we move on and say something about moving averages, I want to say also this: how do you know actually how far back are you gonna go? And this is also one of the reasons I don't use Fibonacci's, because people with Fibonacci are looking for Fibonacci retracements and looking for some kind of a number, right? And this looks like it just broke 0.661, like, and people like, yeah, that might be it. But this start might actually be down here, and now it's even better, like it was 0.6 here. But maybe the Fibonacci retracement should start all the way down here, and now you can say like, yeah, it got support at 0.5. Anyways, there's a much better way to do retracements than Fibonacci, and this is a tip for all you guys that are doing this technical analysis, and that's simply using the moving averages. And you can see here clearly that it's going down when it finds certain moving averages on the different the time frame you are looking at, where it should find support. And right now it's finding support at 20 moving average and this support line. That's one of the reasons I don't like using Fibonacci, and there are also other reasons, but that's the one. So you can see here clearly that we got support at 20 moving average, we got support at the support line. There's all kind of support in this area here, and now we are up. So how far are we up? We are actually up out of the triangle. This was some kind of triangle. Let me just turn off the moving average. This was some kind of triangle. You can see this clearly here when we draw the triangle over here. Depends on how you draw it, but this is the triangle. You can see here clearly that we broke out of the triangle, so that's very bullish, and that's one of the reasons I'm making this video, because we are actually out of the triangle. Now first what do you call it, first requirement is that this actually has to close out of the triangle, because during the day, and it's like 10 more hours, 9 more hours to the daily close, this can actually go all the way down in, sorry, this is 4 hourly, this is 4 hourly, so yeah, it's still gotta close on the daily above the triangle. So I won't call it certain until tomorrow, or 9 more hours, sorry, 11 more hours left. So I won't call it certain, but we are on the way up, and it's looking good. It's looking good. So the first thing is we gotta close above out of this triangle. The second thing is on the moving averages. This is the 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average. Everything looking got support on the 20, but the 10 moving average, we are just crossing the 10 moving average right now. Prior to the making of this video, I was watching it, it was just below the 10 moving average, but now it's on the now it's just on the 10 moving average. I'm gonna put this line over here just so you can see it, because you can see it behind the candle, and you can see here the line is at 245, and now we are at 258. So we got the close above 245 tonight. So there is two things we have to do on the daily chart. On the daily candle is close above this line at 245, and close of course that's gonna happen. If we close above 245, we are gonna close above the triangle. Now we can still close above the 20 and be inside the triangle, but then we are not as bullish as we were if we close above that 10 moving average over here. So that's looking very good for Binance right now. And now I'm gonna show you the last thing I want to show you on this not last, the second last thing, we're gonna talk about the MACD over here just for a second. We're gonna look at it on daily, and the daily MACD is right now converging again, because it was expanding and now it's converging. So we are starting getting this bullish cross once more. Once we get in that bullish cross, it's gonna go, it's gonna be a wild ride. Depends, because Binance coin has been doing very well lately. I don't know if you know, but it's kind of big thing in crypto space right now, Binance chain. I don't know if it's actually just shilling and people want to price up, or it's actually a big thing, but it sounds like a big thing, so maybe it's a big thing, you know. So once we get this crossover here, this is gonna go very high up, very high up. Now what I want to tell you is that people often look for these crosses to start actually betting on the price movement. But you can see here, this is the bearish cross, right? This make the daily bearish cross, but bearish cross here is the price started dropping down, right? Bearish cross came all the way down here. The move is finished. The thing is, you have to find when it's gonna the expansion and divergence and convergence, when it's gonna happen. So when you're expanding, when you're diverging, when it means when lines are going against away from each other, the speed is picking up, right? And then once it starts converging, that's these light green bars. Once it starts converging, that's when actually the pull starts happening. It's actually start happening here, but then you got this green one, right? And so you timing the tops and bottoms with the crosses is not actually good, but it's good to confirming that something is actually happening. So bearish cross, okay, we are in bearish trend, and we were in the bearish trend after we went into the bearish cross, right? But now it's converging again, and we should be looking to get a bullish cross to confirm the change. So that's also one very good thing for you. And as a last thing I want to show you is how far this has to go up before this is actually confirmed. Well, first of all, we have to close on the daily above the 245 line, right? And that will mean we are above the 10 moving average, and we are out of the triangle. But I'm looking at this line over here, 265. Once we get above 265, that's gonna be close on the above 265. That's gonna be it for me. That's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna say yes, that's it. It's gonna go above all-time high over here. Of course, all-time high is better than 265, but 265 is a very good first step, because this was some kind of low, this is some kind of high, right? And then got a higher low, and then lower high, and you got again lower low. And now what we want here to actually do, because we are already above these levels over here, we want to get above these levels over here. Once we get above these levels over here, we're gonna get a higher high, right? And these steps down are gonna be broken, and we are actually changing the direction. And basically that's it. That's the Binance coin. Now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel, like the video and all that shebang, man. No free lunch in this world. What can I tell you? I'm doing this for living. This trading. This trading and my actual job. This trading, my actual job, and sometimes playing the lottery. You know, multiple income sources. Yeah, if that lottery thing you want to just, you know, work out, that would be nice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye-bye.